Let's make this money. Let's do it in 3, 2, and 1. Oh, where am I at? Here I am. No, I'm still not here. What's going on? I think the maestro. Uh-oh. What's going on with my camera? One second, guys. Technical difficulties. If I put this, see if that works. So how's everybody doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good. What the Joker? Get out of here. Nobody wants you. All right. Let's do this as well. Okay, and oh man. Okay, so I guess we'll do is just see. Do I have my picture? Let's go ahead and put in my picture on here. I don't know what happened to my camera. I mean, it was working. I swear to you guys, I swear. Huh. That's strange. Try it one more time. Technical difficulties. Nope. Okay. So not to worry, not to worry. Let's go ahead and just do this. Let's put it an image. And I have me. Nope. So just put me. Okay. Man, it's thundering pretty hard over here, guys. It's about to come down. Here I am. Nope, that's the emoji. Second. Do you have any coins, guys? Any coins, anything like that? If not, that's cool, because we're going to go over a chart or two. See if we can make some money. Still looking for a picture. Wow, really? Here, this is going to be almost. There we go. Whoa! Wowzers! Zoom out. Zoom out. There you go. So I'm going to be a ventriloquist today. All right? Good stuff. Let's see here. Crypto Candy says, smash, smash, tap. Yes, definitely. Definitely. Happy Saturday, guys. Happy Saturday. All right, so yes, definitely smash the likes. And let's get on with the show. Of course, today I'm doing the ventriloquist show, where I don't move my mouth, but you still hear some words coming out of my mouth. So here we go, guys. We got green, green, green. Good Lord. What would you green? We have core up 20 at 1%. We have Jasmine We're actually in this one, guys. We're actually in this one in the group. We just got in it though. And we have, of course, you know, Sol is up. There's everything's up. Why? Well, because everything was down for the past couple of days. Everything was down. So eventually it's going to come up. And that's the beautiful part about this. Like if you're at a loss, you don't have to sell it. Just wait. You know, and then of course you can add to your entry. So now instead of being down 20%, because you added to your entry, you're only down 10%. Then eventually it's going to go up. And then of course now you're up 20%. So that strategy works. It really does. It's not a loss until you sell. Same with it's not a win until you sell. All right. Moving on. So right now it's doing great. Everything is doing great. So let's come over here and let's look at some Bitcoin. Of course, update the group. This is our new level that it found. This was resistance, resistance, resistance several times over on the 4-hour time frame. So it needed to break above this level. And then once it does, or rather once it did, it needs to maintain this in order for the market to remain doing what it's doing. Now, if it breaks below this level, this newly created level, then more than likely everything's going to start going down. And the same thing is now it's going to treat this as resistance and it's going to have to break above it. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. Right now we're doing good. Let's see here. Let's go and look for some coins. Today is Saturday. Very happy with that. Let's see here. I don't really know what to do. So this was on YouTube. And here you would set your alert. This is from yesterday. And how's this one doing? Okay, not too bad. It's losing its strength though. It was going up, higher high, and now a lower high. So now it's losing its strength. So it might come back all the way down here. Hopefully it bounces here and then starts coming up again. Gives a nice little run up again. We'll see. Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is at 54.7%. So dominance is looking weak. We had a high, lower high, lower high, and this is possibly another lower high. See, Bitcoin dominance is cooperating as well. Yes. So when Bitcoin dominance goes down, now this is on the daily. So when Bitcoin dominance goes down and Bitcoin goes up, let me just show you here. Not sure what that is. So when Bitcoin dominance goes down and Bitcoin goes up, this is really good for the alts. And I mean, we're seeing it right now. This is the best case scenario. Alts perform the best. And then this is when it's alt season. Now, right now, is it alt season? No. We're just getting a taste. You know, eventually there will be a point where Bitcoin would just constantly be going up and up and up. Some retracements, but on the bigger picture, it's, you know, just going up. And because of that, people start getting very bullish on their alts. Alts start performing very well. And because more people are buying alts, that reduces the dominance that Bitcoin has. So this is very, very, very important, especially when it comes to making money. We need the dominance to go down and Bitcoin to go up. And then we make a lot of money, guys. We make a lot of money. So right now, we're once again right at 54.76. This is the new level of, this was our little support resistance level. And let me go ahead and take all this crap off. Get out of here. Oh, no, I don't want to delete all that. I want to save this picture. Copy. Now, get out of here, guys. And then paste. So if we look at this, we can see that it's kind of doing this number. Let me draw that for you. Let's go. Kind of see this. bingo and a bango, guys. Bingo and a bango. So right now it needs to lose, well, really it just needs to lose a 200 SMA on the daily. So whenever any coin, right now this is Bitcoin dominance, but in reference to any coin, if it goes underneath the 200 SMA, not a good sign. Not a good sign at all. Let's go and put this on the daily, and then let's go ahead and show our 200 SMA. So this is the 200, this is the 50, and then the 9 is the whitish. And right now, the price action, a couple days ago, it broke underneath our yellow line, which is our 200 SMA. It remained underneath it, which this is very bearish. Anytime you have price action underneath the 200, that's not good. And so what we need in the next 5 hours, we really want to see this daily candle close above that 200 SMA. Do I think it'll happen? Ah, man, I don't think so. Because this is I mean, it's about 2%. So hopefully Bitcoin can move 2%. We'll see. See, CryptoCanyon says, you read my mind. Haha, that's funny. Dave P's in the house. What's up, guys? What is up? Today is the Trend Ventriloquist show. Today, for some whatever reason, my camera's not working. I have no idea. But so I do have my picture here, so you can see. Hey, that is Joe. He's not a scammer. No scammer here. But yep, Trend Ventriloquist show today. So we do have the 200 SMA right here. We need about 5 hours to go for it to close above it. If it closes underneath it, even though the market is doing great, it's not good. So the next day, the next daily candle would have to close above the 200 SMA in order for the coins to do very well. If it closes underneath tomorrow, the next daily candle, if it closes underneath the 200 SMA, we may, man, it'd be so great if it comes down here. It may come down here. Now, this is something that we've been talking about for a while. You know, this right here, 50 to 52, this is when I get happy. I don't know about you guys, but this is when I get happy, because this right here, we've been looking at this forever and a day when it was way over here. You were looking for a pullback in this area so that the bull market could start. Because in my opinion, I think that when the price action comes in here and it finally breaks out, I think this will be the start of the bull market. And all this time we've been waiting and waiting. Kind of got close here. And then now more and more time started going. It's like, man, I don't think we're going to make it down here. You know, we might just go up from here. Who knows? Then, of course, it started doing really well. And then, boom, dump city. And then, of course, this one. Now, one thing that I kind of mentioned this previously, where, oh, let me take this off. Where, as far as the breakout, and I believe we were talking about the breakout over here. Said, you know, more than likely, you know, if you do get a breakout, in my opinion, I would not necessarily buy like Bitcoin at the moment, just because it has to break above this next pivot that's right underneath. And that actually happened right here. You know, of course, it went down a little bit more. The breakout happened, and it actually broke out of this downtrend. However, it's still in a downtrend, because what it needs to do is create a higher high. So for here, I would have probably used this level right here. And sure enough, price action came up. See, but this is what the groups don't show you. They just say, oh, buy the breakout or buy the retest. But they don't show you that here is a level of resistance. So you actually need to wait for this to break out and then to cross this level. Let's do Alt H. And let's change this one to, oh, we just leave it like that. So we're using this level right here. So when the price action broke out, you don't want to enter because you're right under resistance. You need for it to break this area, gain support, and then you enter. But all these groups, they say, oh, buy the breakout. And if you would have, look what would have happened. Same thing with Big Time. Like Big Time, we're still waiting on that one. And that's one of the ones that we did. Oh, I think I deleted it. Oh, no. So it's way up here. They said, buy the breakout. I was like, nope. And then, look. All that time you would have been waiting. Here, you know, we had an alert. We had an alert up here. And the alert didn't go off. Okay. We go on to other coins. Here, same thing. Alert. Alert doesn't go off. Okay. We wait. It's no biggie. Time's on our side, you know. People are talking about this one, LEI. But they were talking about it, I believe, right over here. But it keeps on coming down. Like, I want this one to go up. I own this one. It's come down about 50-something% when I started paying attention to a bunch of people talking about it. And it was right over here. No, it was about 56%. Because I remember it was right on this level. And I was like, nope, I gotta wait. I think it was like maybe right here. So no, I gotta wait. And right now we have a high, lower high, lower high, and a lower high. You know, is it gonna do another lower high? Oh, it did, a lower high. Is it gonna do another lower high, or is it gonna finally do a higher high? So we actually have to wait for it to break these levels that it's creating. And sure enough, came down. And then the groups are posting, or the certain individuals, they're posting about it again. And then again. And then again. And then again. You don't want it. Like, it depends. If you're doing it as an investor, yeah, sure, go for it. You know, buy if it goes down 60%, good. Buy some more. Because you don't know when it's going to go up. Nobody knows when it's going to go up. But if this is a trade, ouch, good Lord. And then I started looking at it again, and here, this is my, you know, re-entry area, or add to entry. And of course, I have a lower entry down here, just waiting to see what happens. Is it going to go down another 35%? We'll see. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Any coins, guys? Any coins you want me to go over? This one. This is why I love setting alerts. I always say this, you know, I love setting alerts. Perfect example. Price was probably somewhere in here, and we did our little resistance zone, and we set our alert, and we're just waiting. We're waiting for the coin to come to us. And what happened? The price broke through our resistance zone, did not hit our alert, so we weren't notified. We don't know what's going on in this coin. We're just waiting for it to come to us. And then eventually came back into the resistance zone, broke below it. Now this lives up to its name, it's resistance, and it continues to come down. And this whole time, we're just waiting. We are just waiting. Let's see. Got a little zone right here. Magnitude on. Let's see, what's the price range difference? Here, 15%. Okay. Let's see. This one's kind of higher risk, just because there's no. It's just straight down. There's no, you know, ups and downs, and there's no pivots. So this one's kind of higher risk. If we were to enter now to try to get the extra 15%, you know, we have a much higher probability that it might go up a little bit and then come down, creating that pivot. So we got to wait. And then what's the price range between this new level we just did? Well, from here to our alert, 20%. This one, more than likely, we would probably enter it before this breakout, just so we can get an extra 20%. Because by that time, the market may be really, really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move my alert to right here. Let's put alert. And then the alert will go off. We need the candle to close. Well, let me get rid of this so we don't see the stop loss. We need the candle to close above this 0.01325. And if it does break, if the candle closes above that on the 4-hour time frame, then we can enter. But right now we just gotta wait. We just got to wait. I see here, Sam says ASM changed it whole model. ASM, I don't know what that is. Now it's an AI. Everything's AI now because that's the hot word. I'm still looking for more FA. What is ASM? I don't know what that is. Oh, let's look it up, guys. We got some time. Today is Saturday. Like, Joe, who cares about that? Okay, let's go to ASM. Assemble AI. Is this one? Let's see here. It's 27.5 million. What else we got? Down 97%, 3 years. Let's go to all. Okay. I was afraid I wasn't going to see this. I was afraid it was just going to be a flat line. But there was a pump. And so nice rise. So that's good. For this one, it's AI. And that's it. It's AI. Okay. So let's go to their website. Crypto insights generated by AI. Assemble AI is an artificial intelligence-based news agent and the first journalism innovative project. Artificial intelligence-based news agent. Okay. It's the trained AI analysis. Analyzes the latest crypto news to provide insight. News summary. But there's actually AI stuff that does this already. Like you can put a link or copy and paste into these AI things, and it'll give you a summary of it. So I don't know why you would need a coin. Sentiment analysis, past case analysis, investment strategies, or ripple effects, and a market data. Okay. AI learned over 10,000 crypto projects. Project detailed data, white paper. Okay. This would be pretty cool though. Like, let's say I wanted to know about AVAX. I put AVAX in there and, you know, it summarizes everything for me, maybe. I don't know, I'd have to see what it does. Market data, on-chain data, news data, use cases. Okay. Let's see here. News analysts related to Bitcoin ETFs. So what did they do? Like put a website in or something and then gave it the key content, then all these other stuff? Because that'd be pretty cool. AI insights. News analysts relate to macroeconomics. So these are the categories that it does. But there's websites, I think, that, oh, I'm sure they do. I don't know. Something to look at, I guess. So we got a lot of use cases. What was this? Exchanges and custody. Can't say the word. It's right on the tip of my tongue. We got Coinbase Pro, Gate.io, Uphold. Okay, so nothing too exciting as far as where you can buy that. Okay, and then one last place I like to look at. Let's go to copy. Let's go to research. Let's go to CryptoRank.io. And the symbol protocol. Is it a symbol protocol? Yeah, same emblem and everything. Okay. So, but I guess they changed their name to a symbol AI instead of a symbol protocol. So for this one, there's no vesting information. See here. See the charts. I don't really have much information. Some protocol. Okay. So let's look at the chart. Let us look at the charts. Close on. Waves. What was waves? This one we're still waiting. Okay. So let's look at this as. Uh-oh. Is that money? Yep, one of our alerts went off. Oh man, we got stopped out. Dang it. That's not cool. How do we get stopped out? No, we didn't get stopped out. We're still in it. Let's see here. ASM USDT. It's gonna be this one. Whoa. Whoa. Oh man, look at how ugly this is. Could you make money? Yeah, of course. I don't like it though. Screams. Get out of here, Joe. Man, that screams to me like that. So if anything, I have to put like 50 bucks, maybe $100. Not financial advice, but I would not bet the ranch on it. Don't know why I just said that. But for here, I would actually set my alerts above this area. So if you follow my crosshairs, I'll probably go about right here. So here, I set an alert right there for possible entry. All right, guys, anything else? Any questions, comments, concerns, issues? If not, forever hold your peace. Forever hold your peace. Let's go put the timer on. Let us put the timer on. Where is the time? Countdown. Yeah, it sounds good. 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Let's see here for waves. We're looking at here. For waves, we are, man, I'm really surprised with waves. This is a low volume node right here. This is a perfect setup. 12 days accumulation, and even with these really nice setups, I mean, you're gonna win, you're gonna lose. So you know, you can have a really nice setup, and it could go the other way. And if it does, don't worry about it. You know, everything's gonna be all right. We always have another trade. Came up, went sideways. Market started coming down. Got a little nervous here, and then we started going good. It's like, oh, okay, cool. And then boom, dump city. Population, me. And we got stopped out. But it wasn't too bad though, because it was only one entry. We're waiting for this to add to our entry, which is pretty good. Let's see here. What's this one? Now it got me curious. Jasmine. Yeah, we didn't get stopped out. I don't know why it said that we got stopped out. Okay, right now I'm just wasting time. All right, guys, well, that's going to be it for today. I do thank you very much. Today is Saturday, so go enjoy your Saturday. We're making money, and hopefully you are too. If you're not, tune in daily. Let's see here. CryptoCanyon says, nope, not yet stopped out. Yeah, no, we're not stopped out yet. For some reason, it said that we're stopped out. But yeah, well, so we'll be back tomorrow, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Do this all over again. If you have coins, if you have just questions or anything like that, just definitely let us know. All right. Thank you guys so much, and see you tomorrow. 3, 2, and 1. Whoa. Good Lord. Whoa. Seems like you're out of loop. Maybe quit YouTube. Quit YouTube. Talking, still ain't know your secrets. Sounding like a little girl pushing 50, still ain't crypto rich. Probably let it. Listen, basement. Just face it. You a shade trader. Just face it. You a shade trader. Just face it. You a shade trader. Just face it. Pillow talk. Just face it. A poopy trader. A poopy a trader. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Maestro, play some music. And let's get out of here. Let's go. Let's make this money, guys. My name is Joe's TradeIntuition. We'll see you tomorrow. 3, 2, 1. Do it.